Great scholars, still on the circle. The circle is a broad topic, so we need to deal with it carefully. In the previous classes, we've talked about the diameter as a chord that runs through the center of a circle. We've talked about also chord as a line segment that has its ends touching the edges or the rims of a circle. I said a diameter has 2 radii. The total round distance of a circle is called circumference. We talked about the arc of a circle. We said the arc of a circle is the curved distance of the chord. We talked about also the segment of a circle. I said the segment of a circle is simply the chord, the space that occupies the chord and the arc. That space that is being enclosed by the chord and the arc, I said that portion is called the segment of a circle. Then we talked about the sector of a circle. I said the sector of a circle is that portion of a circle, like a disc, that is enclosed with 2 radii and an arc. That portion, it looks like a pizza anyway. I think that should have helped me to explain better. A pizza, if you're trying to cut or slice out pizza is being sliced out in 2 radii form, and the arc, that is a sector. Today, let's look at what is called the secant. The secant of a circle. Secant is simply a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. A line that intersects a circle in 2 points is called secant. Secant is a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. Here is a secant. Here is the center of a circle. Here is a secant. So you can say a secant is simply an extended chord. Secant could also be seen as extended chord. When a chord is extended, it intersects the circle at 2 points. Remember, here will be a chord alone, because it touches 2 edges of the circle. But if you extend the chord, it becomes a secant. This is a secant because it has intercept at this point and at this point. It intersects at 2 points in the circle. So secant is a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. In 2 points. Such a line is called secant. A line that intersects a circle in 2 points is called secant. Why? A line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point is called tangent. Tangent. A line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point. In exactly 1 point, such a line is called tangent. Such a line is called tangent. A line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point is called tangent. Look at it. This is a circle. The center of it. This is a tangent. This is a point. Tangent. You can have it here too. Tangent. This is a point. It can be produced anywhere. Tangent. This is a point. So a line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point is called tangent. Tangent, I said, is a line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point. A line that intersects a circle in exactly 1 point is called tangent, and that particular point is called point of tangency. That point is called the point of tangency. This is it, T. This is it, T. This is it, T. That point is called the point of tangency. That point is called the point of tangency. Please note that. That the point of tangency, that is it. The point of tangency is that exact point that the tangent touches the circle. The exact point where the tangent touches the circle. Point of tangency is the exact point where the tangent touches the circle. And I've been able to show you on that particular circle. Let me do it again for you to see it perfectly. This is it. Good. So here is point of tangency. So that exact point where the tangent touches the circle is called the point of tangency. Then we have tangent circles. Tangent circles. Two circles or more circles are said to be tangent circles if they intersect at one point. Two or more circles are said to be tangent circles if they intersect at one point. Tangent circles. Tangent circles. This is what we call tangent circles. Look at this. This is it. At this point they are meeting. Look at this. It's better than that. Make a better circle for yourself. But this is it at this point. So these tangent circles, two or more circles meeting at a point. When two or more circles meet at a point, at one point, then we call that tangent circles. Tangent circles. It's called tangent circles. The meeting of two or more circles at a point. Tangent circles is simply the meeting of two or more circles at a point. And there are some of the examples you have here. In today's class, I have explained what secant is, what tangent is, what point of tangency is, and what tangent circles also are. I said a secant is simply a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. A line that intersects a circle in 2 points is called secant. And I said you can as well explain secant as extended chord. Extended chord, if you extend a chord at the ends of a line segment, if you extend the end points of a line segment, they will certainly touch or intersect a circle at 2 points. And such line is called secant. Then I talked about tangent. I said tangent is simply a line that intersects a circle at exactly 1 point. At exactly 1 point. And I've given us about 3 tangents on just this one circle. And here we have tangent 1, 2, and 3. And I said that exact point where the tangent touches the circle, that point is called point of tangency. That one is called what? Point of tangency. Then I've explained the mathematical concept that is known as tangent of circles. I said it has to do with 2 or more circles meeting at a particular point. And I've given us diagrams to show tangent of circles. I will discuss more of circles with you in the next class. Thank you.